Hello world! Well, guess what? I'm not doing anything. Just in my computer. I'm about to go upstairs to my studio. Outside, it's just disgusting. It's all gloomy. Originally, we were going to go to New York today, but the weather's not good enough to drive in. And it's going to be like that for the whole week, which isn't good. And I'm watching a movie. You didn't have to cut me off. Oh, look what I got confused with the stars today. I got these hair ties and they're really cute. And then that's one. It's a pineapple, a heart, and then the logo. And they're these colors and they're really, really cute. And then they come with this cute bow. Because they're like really cute, so now I have a lot of them. Yay! And that's it. So you go in the back. I got, now he's a kid. He's a guy who's like swallowing a sword. A circus guy. And he has a hat and it comes off too. But it's like his little head. It's cute. It's really cute. That's the card. So now I'm going to sleep. So I'm going to sleep, guys. Good night.